We're doing another unboxing, IPL. These are sort of the Chinese, made in China. Made in Coronaville, call it. Nicknames, made in COVID-19 country, coronavirus country, yeah. Which I say, But, it's gonna get opened, I'm gonna have to open it anyway, hopefully. I don't get sick from coronavirus, Chinese coronavirus. Well, let's see what kind of goodies they got in the box. Box is sealed. No, not sealed yet. I think this one might be sealed. Sealed like this from the factory, anyway. Get this open. We're trying to. I'm gonna have to set you guys into this one. Set you guys. You're gonna have to try and do this. Open it. Not easy. Very nice box. Yeah. Oh boy. Wish I have somebody hold the frickin' phone. I can do this, and I don't have it here. I can't hold the phone while I unbox this fucking product here. Damn. I do hold the phone, do this in one hand. It's impossible. Damn. Damn, impossible to do that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pause it here and have a pausing and film it. Okay, now I got this. This is okay. The owner's manual here, the instructor manual, the most important part, and one little Chinese type eraser. Some beautiful Chinese sunglasses. Yeah. And a power supply here. Yeah, this is a dual voltage power supply. Typical. And this here are the lenses in this box here. And this here, this is an empty box, but this is the gun itself with the lens on there too. I'm not going to do anything about this yet. So, I should buy one. These are attachment lenses for this. In here, I can open this up here. This here is an attachment lens. I can show it to you. This is an attachment lens for this here. Power supply. And the owner's manual. Just remember, this is the most important part, is the instruction, the owner's manual. Blog over.